Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 52.
SuperMath52. So today actually, an example problem in our right triangle chapter, they did a problem about circles. Kind of fun to talk about something other than right triangles. So I made up this problem for you. I've got a circle whose radius is 5, and I've got a chord in the middle whose length is 8. Made to be is 8. And the question is, how far away is this point from that chord?
Well, this is also the radius. This is also 5. And we did a problem where we proved that these were the same.
When what happened?
When this chord was perpendicular.
Okay.
So I'll have it come in perpendicular.
Okay, why is that advantageous in this problem to have that come in perpendicular?
Because we have a right triangle.
Okay, well, why else? Why else is it important that you draw a perpendicular there?
Well, because then this this proof that we did works.
Okay, that's true. Any other reason why it's important for that to be perpendicular?
We have two congruent triangles here.
No, just keep going then. Keep going.
So these triangles are congruent.
Alright.
Since these sides are also the radius. And we know that since this bisects, this is 4. This is 5. So it's our old friend the 3, 4, 5 triangle. To the chord from the center of the circle is 3.
Okay.
So how far away is O from chord AB? It's 3 away.
Why?
Because we used the Pythagorean theorem, as we had a right triangle with longer leg 4 and hypotenuse 5.
Okay. But how do I know the distance away is 3? How do I know that there's not some other point on this line that's closer, that's maybe 2 away?
Well, coming in perpendicular, that's the closest you can get.
Okay. So now let me go back to the question I was asking you 2 minutes ago. Why was it important that you have a perpendicular there?
Because this 3 is the closest distance to
Okay, but you didn't know it was 3 at the time. So why is it important to draw a perpendicular for this problem?
Well, because for this, a perpendicular is the closest distance.
Okay, so what the problem is asking you to find the distance. And so you want to find the perpendicular. And that is why it's important to draw the perpendicular here, because that's the shortest distance. Okay?
Yep.
All right, so very good. So the perpendicular turns out to bisect. So the circles have a lot of really cool properties. We just happened to learn one today, that a perpendicular from the radius bisects a chord, and that tells you exactly how far away it is. Lots of fun geometry comes out of that. Okay?
Yep.
All right. Good job this morning, huh? Good work.